Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so ebia na unye bi enhweye na mashada edi video no abremo na anse ne beko video ne so no mesre infoni na etwetwego ewo screen ne so no ntare aye produce ewo abrochwe se odoyen na se ope atare ni bia very simple link no the very first link in the description box o click here na wa fill with details yankasa ye be shipe ntare no abrel ewo abrochi we ye ma mbrofofo no ana enye se mbrofofo pese ba Ghana fo amonso moti abrochi no you are the people I'm referring to nti ye ma mo mesremo uwie nso a subscribe na click the notification bell ne so and also the screen ne so oye ne sa latest news bi aba won sabeka asem we aye ken o pese wo twa wa adwen a number na the screen na ase no number na the screen na ase no WhatsApp only obe send voice note yetie ne ehwe na se when didi atem na mu da ho a ye de betu dwa na enkrofo ati etie for yen consem ne so me sure say you are seeing the video right in front of you ebia na menim say asem a meka ne say mostly Ghana for am wa abrochi to de bia mo kra no news no kra to de bia mo nim news no kra senyen some of the news kra Ghana for wa abrochi na atwi ya dream ba so say Melodies we yesio o nkasa mfa ho nti me sure say video we mumu bebre na monye bi ahwe so wonye bi nhwe nso a o de ye be rotate no whilst we are speaking, and so you actually know what's going on. So the video right in front of you a program be a course, so and I think I don't know, I stand to be corrected whether it's Kumasi or Accra, but a programmer a Unity Oil. I'm hearing say a Unity Oil for an organizing program, a Thanksgiving program, and I think it happened in Kumasi. Now program you invited Cecilia Mafo say one brand big crazy program no not as a Waberton Jom. You invited Joyce Blessing say one also Embra Beton Jom. Inti musicians will be aba ebe performing. As you are seeing, Joyce Blessing bre is asun say wo baba be performing. Wo performing out of nowhere. Out of nowhere Cecilia Mafo aba be mic no if Joyce Blessing in same. And you are seeing the display she's displaying. Now, someone now walk at Joyce Blessing and they say, Joyce Blessing, no, won't go back and go find a warrior. So Cecilia Mafo was speaking as Nyankopon hum ababeton so. Will be a Oye Christo ni biano, who says Anyamanisi. Sometimes we are sorry, we be one say, na Muslim media Muslim who say Mba and a Tomoso. Who say, I saw ya now, I shall say, we came. Or say, meba, and I make us say, you say, one ye, memba, make us a moon, yes, a moon yet, not as any Bacono, so just a Yankupon whom, and a babashin moi, Yankupon whom, casa. It happens. A see, medium who's into the same thing, and as Cecilia Mafo na war air. Whilst she was waiting, it wasn't even her turn to come and perform. It wasn't her program, so I hear. Na Joyce Blessing program and our tone jom hwan say Cecilia Mafo aba behwim eye mic no ana o ka tell say meba kona kofa wa warrior because him say this year and last year Joyce Blessing and ne ex-husband and ne husband Dave omo enya entawantawa bia ye na ye hu social media wo de omo nsema ba beto a ye na ye hu de AC nti wo be kan say meba kona kofa wa warrior biom Nyankopon sa obetie me ne a kona chese in some way a Cecilia Mafo waye no eno na nkofo bebre na kasa afa ho those who believe in so I'll say there are two groups. One group omayo say they will not talk about it because omodi omu hu ne say Nyankopon na wo ye na ade nti one group bia yo imagine so omodi e wo mo nkan bibi bone bia emfa ho. There's another group womo ebo Cecilia Mafo echi, and that group no there are people who are Christians and there are people who are not Christians and womo ebo Cecilia Mafo echi ntino if you come to that particular group no so you betumi achichem. Now you see, personally I'll use myself personally me obia sa die we Cecilia Mafo you see, and I will not doubt the Nyankopon to me a ebia ewo Cecilia Mafo so I will not doubt. I will not doubt. Say ne krese bia Nyankopon ene ne kasa asa say won kasa nsem ntre Joyce Blessing. I will not doubt it. But one thing I will not take, and sa bia we nsem bia ananyama bia ensofo bebre na wo mu yusu. Wo ya de awie na wo ba na wo be kasa osofo se ne wo kan asem no wan kan ye se na ye wan ye ne yo se nyame honhom ene ba me so a wo kan asem ye ne sa. Excuse and so for bebre me say me asem a me kan say see ma me nka asem ntra me amete he me won so for bebre wo mo ye me ndan fofo. So if I'm speaking this way, I know what I'm talking about. What can as an excuse and Nyankopon e ka say won kan sa, but you see I believe say Nyankopon yesom no he is a God of order. Nyankopon won ye nyama basa o. He is an orderly God. In time you see cleanliness is next to godliness, because any person who is clean, the person is orderly. In fact, orderliness and now orderly and now however you call it, obia according to order principle. Now, God is a principled God. Any person who is principled, who is orderly, that person is clean. Oh, nipa ni dem yefo. Didn't tell them how to need them here because baby was a BBA is BBA and see basa. Now way see her fine. So orderliness amounts to cleanliness. Cleanliness is also next to godliness. God is a God of cleanliness. God is a God of order. As someone opinion kese and I was of kese what can no. Now so for kese na me kan asem no eye mensa wotabel. O say God is an order God, an orderly God. Untumi nko ya de basa mbe ka say Nyankopon hunhum na ba memu dabi. Nyankopon hunhum onye adwuma sa. I am speaking based on the Christianity I know and the Christianity I have learned. Christianity ayawo mi atum e na me de kasa. Say Nyankopon nye nyama basa. Now, let's move to the point. You see, na me catch madam for and then I'll read in Sembia Kennedy Japan ye ni ane wa ha and I will can asem efa Cecilia ma for home. Now a lot of people are saying say Kennedy Japan has been vindicated. Into me ready, but I want you guys to understand my point of view on this particular matter before we move on. Na makasa asem way e wo me channel way so pen. Maka e wo me channel way so pen. Wo bia wako prophet school, obi a wakọ Bible school bia ye trel say Nyankopon de wo yi ade no e trel obi ya trel, but you use your wisdom in laying the information out. Bi so obi a wakọ pastoral school bia and a prophet and a prophetess school bia wo be kan sa asem na trel ye trel mo e wo ho a chede ne de Nyankopon de a trel Nyankopon we ya trel asumesi wo baba bewu asumesi ne yire na we ne yire begyan no asumesi ne yire na we gyan no e wo se wo ko back Nyankopon de wo no wa ye na femu de we ya trel aka wo nipa no sebe se wo be yusu sebe adwen na Nyankopon de ama no se asem we me nkonko ka ne sei. The way you lay the information out, it is as important as the information itself. Listen to what I'm saying. The medium, send me a would be asem na ebe babonte no, and who here to say asem na nkasa. Because obi wo ha, o kan asem no ebufuo so, the purpose of asem no ankwa nkosi. Sa nipa ko na o find a better way of telling him sa asem no, and I heard sa asem no bo se be kan akoma. Na de o pese nipa ko ne ye no obe ya trel. Mama say example several times on this channel. Say ofre wo be ma bia say wo ya abo a e bia wo betam ebo de abo. Ma wo bansi krum na won ka say wo be ma 1 point wo be ma bi no ka say wo be ma we ya abo a wo betam ebo e de abo sa be ma no. Ma sa wo ba na nsi krum biom the different scenario. Na sa wo be ma na wo frɛ na abo a no ka say hey wo de wo ti say wo kɔ de hey wo de wo ti say jata obema no one time bombo but okwade ne jata wo mo ye moa o indirectly so wo ka se wo no obema no wo ye okodie ana wo ye jata indirectly wo ka se wo ya aboa nanso sa bema no won fa ne sa it is the way you said it. I want people to understand this thing, and this is one thing I me personally I feel say massa be Christosum no man na some way. Personally I feel ma Christosum no aye some way because yan hwe ya wo bi ebe kwa kodi boni atwa wo biti na esikra pen ye wa ha na wosofu bi kokun ne ba okoku akola ne wi asofu ne be ka tren se Nyankopon na ka tren se wonye saa one ho akoka yan hwe ya san nyama ne besi no wosofu akwa kodi boni akobo obi asum okobo ni pakuna asum ye obeka wo se hunhun kronkron ne ba me mu ma me yesa ba ye ne nim se God is an orderly God. Nyankopon won ma wonye saa Montie mi ye. Sabi we ya Cecilia Mafo wo ye no. Listen. In the first place, Cecilia Mafo and Joyce Blessing. I have heard from Joyce Blessing's former manager. Say Cecilia Mafo wonim Joyce Blessing pa. Wonim ni fie. Wo ye ne sister. Na nka bo pese wo share Joyce Blessing na. Joyce Blessing betumi ehia no. Opeso akatren say Joyce, me hu ade bi afa ho a. You say Joyce, and this is from Joyce Blessing ne ex manager wo no na wo kasa asem no. It was no crack can say service ade we ya Cecilia Mafo ye no. E wo say ye de no court. Inti the best thing they say na ko betumi akatren no e wo kukum. But you see obi beka say oh ebia Joyce Blessing ne be fa mic ne say wo to nyom no. Sa time no na Cecilia Mafo hu ye okay no problem eno nse wo se enkrofo nim e hona na wakoka sansem no wotunjum ni wi a utumi che no kuko na no one needs to know because Nyankopon enyi antre yen Nyankopon pese yen no ye be hu nti wen yi antre yen Nyankopon yi tre wo na fa wo no Joyce Blessing ne ho na Nyankopon pese ye nimu a ana ye hu a se na Nyankopon enso ne ye so obi ya tre ye ni na ho a ye wo program na se but you tre wo nko a. And I've said this me so far osofo ana meka say lady prophetess ba kope ena so far me hu na me say her prophetess we, and I've talked about her on this channel before. So far lady prophetess ba kope wokita mic na wo mo preachi no wo hu asem fa ho but the mic no beto ho na wa fra ba enim baby a wo bia nte na wa kegu asum wo pese nkoma fa obi a ho asori dem nkom hye ne beba life nanso wo bia ni wa wo beti wo bi de whether good or bad obe fra one ka wo mic ni mu da, and that and no na yes ankrofo na wo mo akọ prophetic schools no wo mo o che say wo mo sua ehu ne say Nyankopon de obeyi atrew senia wo be send message no, it is based on your own wisdom because one koye ne sa na asemba na asemba hey what there see eyana we don't want to speak against, and you see Ghanaians here pesa de no ye hu ne say oh me de man ko school Nyankopon na de chairman ti office wo no ne de wo yesin de okọ school o ka tell say won ko school Nyankopon ama na ache de no won ko school ho be ka say o da bi Nyankopon de ache me, but you see Nyankopon no ono o de be ma wo nsu sia because Nyankopon de ma wo no de ma wo say wo de be ye ni pe adwuma nti wo su sia se ne a wo betumi de ye ni pe adwuma akototen ama wo very simple. Nyankopon ache de ne de o de ache. No one is saying say Cecilia Mafo ade a wo ka no ntro Nyankopon yi ache no. No one is attacking her on that level, but the act she used, the process she laid the information, the medium through which she laid the information, that is my problem. And it's very simple. Bible mu ewom Nyankopon yi trewa sabe imprediasa nti ena make no steady sa ensofo na wɔn akɔ prophetic and pastoral schools no akyɛdeɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ wasan so akɔ ho school yɛakyerɛ ne sɛ nyankopɔn yi kyerɛ wɔ a ɛyɛ wisdom ɛne yɛde ka to bɛhu ne sɛ wɔde wisdom afa ho na wɔde aka it is that obi anim saa deɛ wɔ yi ɛte sɛ obi a wɔyɛ na de sɛ me deɛ ɛne nyankopɔn de ama ɛne me de me nkɔ school fi sɛ nyankopɔn de ayɛ bu wei nti me de me and you see if you do that it's your own thing because me de ma ka kyerɛ ne de nyame de bɛma wo but sɛnea wo nso because nyame de ma wo wie yɛ no sɛbe ɛnyɛ sɛ uhu ɔno nyame ne ho asɛm na wakɔ akɔka kyerɛ no nyame wɔde akyɛdeɛ ne ma wo no wɔde ma wo sɛ wodi hu nipa wɔno ne mba na waka kyerɛ ne mba na wayi ne mba efi nkwasom mu wagye ne mba nkwa nyankopɔn ɛno nti na ɔde saa tumi ne ma wo nti wɔafa ma wo sɛ wɔde ma wa na wɔno nyame na watane sɛ nyankopɔn mehu wei afa wo ho nti wo nyankopɔn sesa daabi ɛnyɛ saa wɔde ma wo na wodi nipa nti nyankopɔn de ama wɔde akyɛde na ma wo na wie no na wo nso wɔasua sɛnea wo bɛyɛ a wo ni nipa deɛ no nso ɛbɛkɔ na wo yɛ ne sɛ me deɛ nyankopɔn na de ama me ɛna me deɛ mɛkasa wo bɛhu ne sɛ yes directly God is giving you the thing but wo hwɛ wo ɛne nipa daseni a wo ni nipa link no ɛni hɔ and you all account nyankopɔn deɛ wɔsi wɔn no deɛ wɔde akyɛde ne ma wa one day you account for it. One day who go account here, no one will say, "Ah, nyankopɔn akyɛdeɛ ne deɛ ɔde ma wo all right." But you, ɛne nkurɔfoɔ na ɛwɔ sɛ na ɔne ɔmo linking no, that was the problem. And a lot of pastors are refusing to see this. Nti na wo notice here, nsɔre bebree wɔ hɔ a, ɛyɛ ana ɔsɔfo no wokɔ nsɔre bebree a sɛbi asɔre na nhyɛ da nkɔ so saa na, wobɛkom no na ɛyɛ a style a wasɔfo no wɔne congregation no relate no ɛne na man so asɔre no ɛnkɔ so because ɔsɔfo no deɛ wɔhu ne sɛ nyankopɔn ɛde akyɛ me nti me deɛ mɛyɛ na mɛyɛ and as far as ubuefu na still nyankopɔn yi kyɛ no ɔno wɔsɔfo no ne tiri no ohun ne sɛ wɔyɛ right but you need to learn how you relate to the people, the congregation as well. It's in Yankopon Sunday edemawa. Na unso was Sunday receiving the fine. Na send Yankrofon so betias yano unso their momo. Not compromising on the quality. But you also do it in a way wamonso level no one betias pepepe. And no hunti and I was a workers our prophetic school no. Send Yankopon the achede nemawa. Going to a prophetic school is not Ghana yama akwa say obi a work driving school wo de tena trotro mu na trotro driver wo hu obi a work driving school say obo se ni edi ni pa ko a work driving school no ye say mo na ya mo driving school no ye pese e say wa omo indirect omo pese mo say wa a work driving school no kra wo wa bon bisa tro obi a wo twi trotro bia wo Ghana bisa no se wo nim na work driving school a wa work driving school no wo ni ye srew eto de bia na menti ase saa na akwakoye osofo bitumi tena pulpit me de menkɔ pastoral school bia te o kan hu ne ho sɛ wɔnkɔ pastoral school bia da te sɛ yɛpɛsɛ ya ma ne look sɛ wɔn a wɔn kɔ saa pastoral and prophetic school no wɔn ɛne nkrofo bia sɛbe impredia san sɛbe wɔn no yɛ nkrofo bia sɛbe nyankopɔn afa akyɛde na ma wɔn nti wɔn kɔ school sɛ wɔn kɔsua nanso we bia obi wɔ hɔ a wɔn akyɛde ne yɛ de ma ne pound nanso wɔsan so akɔ school nti ono ne de no double wo tina ho wo ne se nyankopon de ama nti wo ye de opɛ ono nyankopon de ama no wasan so akɔ school we sia se ne woni nipa be relate ono no wo si asɔre dan mu a pa wokɔ na wo ti bebi ɛyɛ oya ebe ye osofo no wokɔ akɔgye eduro dabi listen Kennedy Japan kan send bi fa ɛyɛ Cecilia Mafo ho. Now, a lot of people are saying, say, Kennedy Japan has been vindicated. Now, maybe say me reading someone Kennedy Japan kafa Cecilia Mafo because you see this is becoming, and the reason why a lot of people are also bashing Cecilia Mafo on this particular thing, and they say, this is not the first time. This is not the first time I be say AC. This is becoming unbecoming. Muntie me this is becoming unbecoming. Nti nkrofo bebre na ebo nechi brother Samedie ye waha gift adoye nsem a wono so be ka fa Cecilia Mafo ho. Cecilia Mafo nankasa ne nsofo bi ne ex manager nso nsem bi a wo ka nkrofo bebre kasa fa ne ho. Nti enden so asa wode aye Joyce Blessing no ama nkrofo we ni aba abonten. Kennedy Japan can send be fan ho. Say Ghanaian women, because a babonti says Cecilia Mafo, Okona sorry na and you see all those things are allegations from people who were old members of hers. And even if Sansem no two say enkofono mu twantro ana say nekre. Now, if enkofono in some of more can na, a lot of people will believe them because of current issues as Cecilia Mafo, warrior yin na yehu. Because and then nkrofo hu ne say wono de Takashi style eno yusu. It's in the old church members to me ba bonte be ka say Cecilia Mafo otumi tunto si ogu nkrofo enum say nyankopon honhom na aba ne so e na wo ye ne saa. Ebetumi aba say nkrofo ni twa ntro, but because of videos like this enyama bi say ya waye e wa bonte nti nkrofo be fi say ade no eye ne kre. Eno hu nti Kennedy Japan kan sembi. I say Ghanaian women should listen to me carefully. They always feel attacked when men criticize women for doing wrong or for wrongdoing. So I am sounding a word of caution to the women. We cannot allow Cecilia Mafo, especially during this corona season, to spit in people's mouth. It is so disgusting. She will slap church members in the name of deliverance. How did she get that fake powers? As someone can Japan where can know. Says Cecilia Mafo wobobon krofo asum in the name of deliverance. Now, I've told you, it could be sense way ni no another crack, but based on what we've seen, based on, in quotes, the Takashi mana yankasa yehu in this video, your video no ma muhu ye, say enye wo program, obi program a wo to njom, na waba be hwim mic. Hey, based on all these things, no, obi ka sansem ne krana. Asem wo ya asem bia, adamakoma so pan because me Kristo ni mapa. Wa me gasa wutie me say I am very prayerful. Minimum so for bebre ye me now for me. If you see my close friend, my closest friends, omuni na prophet and pastors, pastors and so for bebre ye me now for and your one and just same way e kama because in Crawford in the name of Nyame say no are deceiving people. Kan sema to nkrofo so ye nyama in the name of Nyame say. Tell me your comment box ni mo me da say.